How to use focus mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use focus mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you'll have to find out the option for focus mode. As you can find it from your control center, simply swipe down from the top right. From here, you can easily find your focus mode. And as usual, you can find it on settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on focus. From this section, you'll be able to add new focus like here is pre-built-in focus mode for do not disturb, personal or sleep. If you want to just add one, tap on the plus icon at the top right. Now from here, simply you'll have to choose for the options like anyone recommended or you can custom it yourself. Like now, I'm choosing the option for gaming. After that, simply tap on customize focus. From here, you'll be able to choose the people or choose the app. That notification will not appear to you. After that, while you create a focus mode, simply you can tap and turn it on from here. After that, focus mode will be enabled on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.